Hey guys, good morning. It's Bob from Bob's World. No tiny whoop this morning. Dusted off the 533 3.5 inch tiny trainer with O3 on board. This thing has been crying in the corner saying, why don't you fly me anymore? It got me thinking. I've been flying these tiny whoops now pretty much all summer, it feels like. I'm like a tiny whoop whore. And I thought, let's do a little experiment. I got two batteries, only two packs with me. 4S today. This will do 3 or 4S. I'm doing 4S. It's going to rip. This thing's fast as hell. And I want to see, experiment, scientific, has flying the tiny whoops made my FPV skills with something like this, 3.5 inch, worse? No change? Or will it improve my ability to fly this? Who knows what is going to happen? Hopefully I don't run this in the ground. So without further ado, guys, let's fly this beast and let's see what happens. It's been a while. Okay. And thanks for the subs, likes, and the comments, guys. Always appreciate it. I hope tell me what things you want to see. Just let me know. I fly anyway, so I just record it because it's fun. All right, here we go. First flight, pack 1, 4S. This thing is gonna rip. Okay, first thing, obviously, right from the get-go, is the power. I mean, right? I mean, it's a given. This is not a tiny whoop. So the first thing is extreme sense of speed. Oh shit, man! You definitely got to be looking ahead. I mean, I can still fly it. I mean, I'm still going. But man, it definitely is a whole different ball game when you're ripping. Other than a tiny whoop, I mean, this thing just freaking screams. All right, I haven't crashed yet. Just cooking. Let's do 2. Why not 3? I don't even know where I'm at. Damn. I mean, the one advantage, obviously, is something like this is, you're coming in low, and I think it does make you better with the power because with the tiny whoops, there's not much power, so you're always compensating at the bottom end because you just don't have the power, right? But there's definitely not a lack of power in here. So far, I would say, am I worse? No. Am I not used to the speed? Definitely. I mean, the speed factor is definitely land now, Baba. All right, here we go. It's a little, not nerve-wracking, but definitely I'm having to pay a lot of attention because I definitely don't want to, if I can avoid it, crash. All right, so pack 1 down. There was a little frost. It's Minnesota, guys, so the cold is coming. All right, a little cold, a little wet. Let's do one more. Okay, we didn't crash. That's good. Let's do one more. And let's try to get some little bit tighter gaps maybe. Let's get maybe a little bit of some tricks maybe. Let's go. I almost just took that light out. Land now. Ain't no landing now. Let's see if I can get underneath this. Okay. So accuracy wise, I mean, I'm still doing pretty damn good here. I mean, that That was a tight gap right there. Let's do a... I mean, I feel like I could, I don't feel like I can't be accurate. I still feel pretty good about my accuracy right now. Let's go down through here. Yeah, still feeling good. Let's see through these trees here. Let's go through here. Yeah, still good. I mean, I don't think it's ruined or made it worse. I mean, I have to get used to the speed again. I mean, that's obviously the biggest difference. Whew, God, the speed is kind of insane, actually. Whew, God. But this is the one thing about these drones, man. That's why I love the Whoops so. I mean, you can hear just the noise alone. It just draws attention. They're so loud. You got to really find a safe spot to fly these babies, because, you know, obviously it would be dangerous to hit somebody like that right there. That felt totally. I felt confident in that move. Let's bring her in, guys. And then I'll give you my debrief. My debrief on this, okay? On this experiment, which I say was not very scientific. It was only 2 packs. But here's what I'd say. I don't think my flying skills have been hurt just on that little short run by flying the Tinywhoops. What I would say, obviously, and I think this is just common sense, is the speed is so much faster. I really got to be looking ahead to compensate. But I hit some gaps there. Definitely fun with the speed. You know, the view is good, obviously, with this camera, the 03 system. But I do notice a little more latency with that compared to the HD0 flying with the Whoops. But if you want to see more of the Tiny Trainer, let me know. I do like flying it, but you guys know my heart right now is in the Tinywhoops. So we got more Tinywhoops coming. So appreciate the subs and likes, guys. I know I do some weird videos just because I'm goofy, I'm old, and who knows. Have an awesome weekend. I hope you get some flying in.